10 mysterious and unexplained objects that fell from the sky. The sky has long been a source of fascination and curiosity for humans. Throughout history, there have been numerous accounts of mysterious and unexplained objects falling from the sky. While many of these incidents have been debunked as hoaxes or explained by natural phenomena, some remain shrouded in mystery. In this video, we will explore 10 such cases, delving into the stories and possible explanations behind these baffling occurrences. 1. The Roswell Incident, 1947. Perhaps the most famous unexplained object that fell from the sky is the Roswell Incident. In July 1947, a rancher discovered debris on his property near Roswell, New Mexico. Initially, the military claimed that it was a crashed weather balloon, but subsequent reports suggested that it was actually a top-secret experimental aircraft. Conspiracy theories have since proliferated, with many speculating that it was a crashed extraterrestrial spacecraft. Despite extensive investigations, the true nature of the Roswell incident remains a subject of debate. 2. The Tunguska Event, 1908. On June 30, 1908, a massive explosion occurred near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River in Siberia. The blast flattened an estimated 80 million trees over an area of 2,150 square kilometers, 830 square miles. The event, which released energy equivalent to 1,000 Hiroshima bombs, remains unexplained to this day. The leading theory suggests that an asteroid or comet exploded in the Earth's atmosphere, causing the destruction. However, no impact crater or meteorite fragments have ever been found, leaving the Tunguska event shrouded in mystery. 3. The Betts Mystery Sphere, 1974. In 1974, the Betts family discovered a strange, metallic sphere on their property in Jacksonville, Florida. The object, which was about the size of a bowling ball, appeared to have a polished surface and exhibited strange properties, such as vibrating and emitting high-pitched sounds. Some speculated that the sphere was an extraterrestrial object or a piece of top-secret military equipment. However, no definitive explanation for the origin or purpose of the Betts Mystery Sphere has been determined. 4. The Ubatuba magnesium fragments, 1957. In 1957, a Brazilian man claimed to have witnessed a UFO explode over the coastal town of Ubatuba. He later recovered several fragments of a metallic substance, which were later identified as being composed of nearly pure magnesium. The high purity of the magnesium, combined with the witness's account of the explosion, led some to believe that the fragments were remnants of an extraterrestrial craft. However, no definitive explanation for the origin of the Ubatuba magnesium fragments has been established. 5. The Kecksburg UFO Incident, 1965. On December 9, 1965, residents of Kecksburg, Pennsylvania, reported seeing a fireball streak across the sky before crashing into a wooded area nearby. Witnesses described the object as acorn-shaped and covered in hieroglyphic-like markings. The military quickly cordoned off the area, and the object was allegedly removed by the U.S. government. While some believe that the Kecksburg object was a crashed extraterrestrial spacecraft, others argue that it was a top-secret military project or a meteorite. The true nature of the Kecksburg UFO incident remains unresolved. 6. The Black Knight Satellite, 1960. The Black Knight Satellite is an alleged extraterrestrial object that has been orbiting the Earth for thousands of years. The story gained traction in 1960 when a mysterious, dark object was detected in orbit by American and Soviet satellites. The object appeared to emit a strange radio signal, which some interpreted as a possible sign of extraterrestrial intelligence. While skeptics argue that the Black Knight satellite is simply space debris or a misidentified satellite, believers maintain that it is evidence of an ancient alien presence on Earth. To date, no definitive explanation for the Black Knight satellite has been provided. 7. The Sanxingdui artifacts, 1986. In 1986, archaeologists in China unearthed a trove of mysterious artifacts at the Sanxingdui site. Among the finds were dozens of large, bronze masks and sculptures that appeared to depict otherworldly beings. The artifacts, which date back approximately 3,000 years, have confounded experts, as they do not resemble any other known ancient Chinese culture. Some have speculated that the Sanxingdui artifacts are evidence of extraterrestrial contact or a lost civilization. However, their true origin and purpose remain a mystery. 8. The Sri Lanka meteorite fossils, 2013. In 2013, a team of scientists claimed to have discovered fossils of extraterrestrial life within a meteorite that fell in Sri Lanka. The meteorite, which was composed of a rare type of rock called Polonarua, contained microscopic structures that resembled algae and other microorganisms. While some researchers argue that the fossils are evidence of panspermia, the theory that life on Earth originated from extraterrestrial sources. Others contend that the structures are the result of terrestrial contamination. The debate surrounding the Sri Lanka meteorite fossils continues, with no consensus reached among the scientific community. 9. The Oloron-Sainte-Marie UFO Incident, 1952. On October 17, 1952, residents of Oloron-Sainte-Marie, France, witnessed a strange aerial phenomenon that remains unexplained to this day. According to eyewitness accounts, a formation of cigar-shaped objects appeared in the sky, leaving behind a trail of white, cotton-like substance. Some witnesses even reported seeing small, humanoid figures inside the objects. While skeptics argue that the incident can be attributed to natural phenomena or a hoax, no definitive explanation for the Oloron-Sainte-Marie UFO incident has been established. 10. The Voronezh UFO Landing, 1989. On September 27, 1989, a group of children in Voronezh, Russia, claimed to have witnessed a UFO landing in a nearby park. According to their accounts, the craft was approximately 9 meters, 30 feet, in diameter and was piloted by 3-eyed, 3-meter, 10-foot, tall humanoid beings. The story quickly gained international attention, with some speculating that the incident was an elaborate hoax or a case of mass hysteria. Despite numerous investigations, the Voronezh UFO landing remains an unsolved mystery. Conclusion. The 10 cases presented in this essay illustrate the enduring fascination with unexplained objects that fall from the sky. While some may dismiss these incidents as hoaxes, natural phenomena, or misidentified objects, others believe that they may hold the key to unlocking some of the universe's greatest mysteries. Regardless of one's perspective, it is undeniable that these enigmatic events continue to captivate the human imagination and inspire us to seek answers to the unknown.